G'day, Oz ADV rider. I'm out with the Ballarat Riders group today. I think there was 11 of us. About half of those bikes seem to be Teneres. We got 2 V-Stroms, 2 DRs, I think there's 3 Teneres, BMW, CF Moto, a couple of Huskies. I think one of them is a Norden, I'm not sure what the other one is. 701 I think. Yeah, big turnout. There was only looked like 4 or 5 coming. Righto, my turn to be corner marker. On the big BMW 1200. Yeah, I think the loop's about 200 kilometres we're doing today. Through Crestwick, Blurderderg, Blackwood, down to Brisbane Ranges, Lau, all places I've kind of been before. There'll be a lot of tracks I've done before and there'll be a lot that I haven't. It's pretty dusty out here today. We had a bit of rain yesterday. I thought it might have settled the dust a bit. Just coming up to Slatey Creek now. Oh, we've got a car coming. Oh, she's barely a trickle today. Is there a stack or someone lose something?
Oh, the top box came up.
Ah, righto. Going, everyone else is stuffing around. Well, I saw a top box come off. I know that feeling. These all sorted. Few straps, bit of electrical tape, good to go again. Oh, and a bit steep here. Oh shit, we've got to ride it down too. Yep. Oh, there's a car there. I'm guessing he's jammed the brakes on. Let me get out. Righto. It's been an action-packed trip so far. I've had a top box come off and then a spill. Guy was doing a U-turn right at the bottom of a bend. So yeah, guy coming downhill on a bend, loose gravel, car doing a U-turn in front of him, hit the brakes. Only one thing that's going to happen. Down he went. They got all the guy's details and yeah, Barry actually got a confession straight from him on camera. So the guy said he was doing a U-turn. So this is the Wombat State Forest, just past the sign. We've done a couple of rides through here. Lots of good tracks through here though. Oh, stopping again. What's going on now? No. I think we might be playing charades up here. That's Santos in front on the T7. He said he's been following my channel for a long time. He looks familiar. I've got a feeling I've met him before with the meetup group a few years back. Off again, quick stop at Blackwood. Just waiting for everyone to get their shit together. Looks like we're good to go. Alright. This is Channel Road. Gets a lot rougher than this, but it's a nice easy road, nice through twisty. It's not looking too healthy. Just starting to wind our way down to O'Brien's Crossing now. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. Rightio, we're just leaving back a smash. I'm going tail ender. We're all going around the roundabout. Yeah, down to 9 riders. Santos took off around 12 o'clock, he had to get back. And we lost our other tail ender, Dale. So I'm up the back now. Yeah, these are some interesting twisties. Not many signposts, no lines. Gravel in the middle sometimes. Wow. Sealed road, it's quite unpredictable. There we go, into the gravel. No, it's just gravel on the road. I prefer gravel road at the moment than this. Nothing worse than gravel on top of a sealed road. Yeah, in the corners too. Not on the straights. Corner coming up. We're off, yep. Yeah, right there, a couple of toilet stops. It's not what I signed up for, being tail end Charlie. Here's watching everyone stop for repairs. What we got here? Sapling Gully picnic area. Bit of a dry creek, a little bit of water. Oh wow. Oh, cool. Very nice. Oh, a creek down there too. Oh, she rock that side. Creek down the bottom. Well, house up there. Yeah, nice. Oops. What's the sign say? Ball Gully camping area, 10 k's. Little river picnic area. No vehicle based camping. Yeah, well, that's a nice spot, isn't it? Righto. Let's go play catch up. Oh, nice. Oh, far out. No water flowing over today. Well. You got it. Nearly. A little bit more. Oh, yeah. Hate when you get stuck just at the top. Then, you want me to hold it and you go around? You want to go around and get on the other side?
Yeah.
Yep, I've got it. As long as it's not going to roll, is it? Yeah, I've got a brake on.
Back on. Shit.
Yeah. It's a bloody sharp corner, isn't it?
Yeah, I have to go around Glen, but I got around Glen, but I didn't quite finish it.
Yeah, righto. Yeah, there. You're right, I got you. Thanks, mate. It's a sharp bend at the bottom. It's a sharp bend at the bottom. Yeah, take it nice and easy. No worries, thanks, mate. See ya. Oh, far out. That freaking cyclist. What the hell, how'd he get up there on that? Switch road. Yeah, this stuff looks pretty loose, doesn't it? Oh, beautiful. Yeah, look at that. Switchback after switchback. It would make our way down the mountain by the looks of it. Yeah, nice little picnic around there. I don't know if you can camp there or not. Stone Stony Creek picnic area. All good. Oh, bloody hell. I should have went the first. Oh, very good. So that was the Brisbane Rangers National Park. Butchers Road. Good. What's going on? Don't tell me we're lost again. No, we're off, I think. Oh dear. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We got one more. Let's see, Mayhem do a bloody U-turn with a bunch of adventure bikes. Where is he? There he is. Well, we're all sort of going our separate ways from here. We've got a few guys heading to Geelong, the rest of us back to Ballarat. And then we'll all just sort of go our own way when we get closer to Ballarat. I'll wrap it up here. Thanks a lot, Craig, for organising and leading the way. Thanks, Dale, for being the tail ender. Yeah, it's had a really good day. It's good to meet some new riders and riding some areas I've never been before. Thanks a lot to everyone who came. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.